All clear. Dispatch, enjoy your ride. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful and exciting episode of Theme Park Tempo. I am here today to show you a coaster creation of mine. It is the Tangus Train 2021 entitled Anchors Aweigh. Like I said last year, once a year on September 11th, I will be releasing this on the anniversary of my brother's passing in order to pay tribute to a man who loved roller coasters just as much as me. Would often go on them many times with me, from Wildwood to Six Flags to all over the place to Disney and back. And every year on his anniversary of his passing, I will be putting out a Tangus train. I put out one in the first year of his passing, and that was a linear induction launch. And last year I put out an RMC hybrid. This year I'm putting out a B&M Hyper, known as Anchors Aweigh, ranking in at 222 feet of the drop, top speed of 80 miles an hour. All in all, really just a fun and exciting track layout that I was able to put together. Passed the score already, but I did get a 7.23 excitement, 4.67 for fear, and I believe it was a 2 for nausea. So all great, all green ratings here. Excellent ride. I really think this would be a wonderful addition to any theme park out there if given the opportunity. But yes, I did your traditional hyper where you get all your airtime, but I also added a little bit of RMC inspiration, not much, but from the curve drops up and down as well as some different trigger effects throughout the ride. Nothing crazy because it is a hyper coaster, of course, but definitely wanted to give it a little extra pizzazz and themed the whole entire ride around fishing. And my brother was a big fisherman and big coaster guy, so put those two together with pictures of him through the queue. But either way, guys, sit back, sit tight, relax, and I really hope you guys do enjoy Anchors Aweigh.
Somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing.
Welcome to Tangus Train, Anchors Aweigh. Once directed to do so, do board the road directly in front of you, securing all loose articles in a bin provided. No, we're not going to make you get a locker, but anything you lose is totally on you, not us. Also, don't be obnoxious and bring that big gigantic stuffed bear you won. Leave it with a non-rider or bring it to your car. Once the ride is in motion, please keep, and I can't believe I have to say this, but I have to, please keep all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the ride vehicle and remain seated while in motion. That yellow line right there, that's for your safety. Stand behind it. We don't ask much. Anchors Aweigh is a high-speed, turbulent roller coaster ride. High speeds, sharp turns, sudden drops. Not for the faint of heart. If you don't think you should ride, then don't. Also, if you feel like you want to be cool and throw something off the roller coaster from the very top, you will not only be ejected from the park, but you will have a lifetime ban. Don't be that guy. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on Anchors Aweigh.
This is all so grand. People that made me feel alright.
I'll meet you at the midway.